Let's dynamic, let's go, go. 날 파니고 막해로 더 주력구 나를 세계의 고도가 만테룬다세いつか途切れた夢の続き始めよう星をつなげて空に飛び出かけばいい新たなステージは神に挑む場所情熱の熱ダイナミック Let's go go ないパニック負けると強くなる限界とかないもん情熱情熱ダイナミック Let's go Yes 連打気を浴びせてむしゃぶるすげえことが待ってるんだぜ
Look what's back in action! Tonight we're going to draw Ultra Instinct Lord Archon. Alexa, stop.
Let's dynamic, let's go, go. 날 파니고 막해로 더 주력구 나를 세계의 고도가 만테룬다세 이츠가途切れた夢の続き始めよう
I'm proud you'll understand. Lord Archon also knows Ultra Instinct. Also, I also discovered that this was actually his first form.
Song.
Also his body started out as actually yellow. One more thing. This guy is also a fusion from the other gods from Anime Wars. They had special Batara earrings. Now I figured out why they had to use them for. These guys were not kidding. This is actually the first form. Also, I'm surprised this guy has the ability to master Ultra Instinct. I'm actually quite impressed.
Let's go go ないパニック負けると強くなる情熱猛烈ダイナミック Let's go go ないパニック負けると
Now we draw this arm. Let's go go ないパニック負けると強くなる Here's the sword.
情熱猛烈ダイナミック Let's go go ないパニック負けると強くなるすげえことが待ってるんだぜ途切れた夢の続き始めよう星をつなげて空に飛び出かけばいい新たなステージは
Here's Archon's fist. Almost. Here's the spike sticking out of his back.
Let's go go ないパニック負けると強くなる
5 out of 5. Now we draw his tail. Like I mentioned before, this guy looks exactly like Cooler. And yes, I love Cooler. One last thing to draw, and that's his tail. I meant his sword. Now for the finishing touch. The Ultra Instinct Aura. And finished. That's how you draw Ultra Instinct Archon. This guy's awesome. I love him. Amazing. amazing.
Being a specialist in archaeology, the scientific study of prehistoric peoples and their cultures by analysis of their artifacts, inscriptions, monuments, etc. Active architectural is usually defined as of or relating to the profession of designing buildings, open areas, communities, and other artificial constructions and environments, usually with some regard to aesthetic effect. Architecture often includes design or selection of furnishings and decorations, supervision of construction work. Arcola is a rare record of an original subdivision, the site on a typical river junction corner having no dominant street frontage but with the house addressing 3 frontages. To factrepublic.com, this prehistoric turtle had massive, powerful jaws that would have enabled it to eat anything nearby, from mollusks to smaller turtles or even crocodiles.
Alexa, stop. The turtle Alexa was talking about is known as an archelon. They lived during the late Cretaceous, even though Lord Archon sounds just like one. Anyways, that's all for now. Please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel, and check out which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.
A giant sea turtle called archelon swam in the oceans. Something I found on the web. According to hubpages.com, during the Cretaceous period, a giant sea turtle called archelon swam in the oceans.